If you want to create an AI wallpaper on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to wallpaper and style, and then choose change wallpapers. In here we have two options that use AI to generate the wallpaper. We have the generative option, and in here we can decide to use one of these categories that we have at the top or some of these that we have here below. In order to create a wallpaper, we need to select one of these categories. Then we have the prompt, which we can customize, so we can tap on these phrases that are highlighted, and you can switch things up in here. So let's say instead of forget-me-nots we're gonna switch to, for example, daisies. Backdrop of plum is going to be switched to of yellow, and let's say yellow space galaxy, why not? And then we can tap on the generate at the bottom. Over here we can read that this tool, you need to agree to Google privacy policy, and now we need to wait for the result. There we go, here we have the result. We can actually find a couple of different options, and if you like one of these wallpapers, you can just simply tap on the set option. There we go. I'm just gonna go next. You can make some additional adjustments over here if you decide to see how other wallpapers look like. But let's say I'm gonna stick with this one, so I'm gonna tap on done in the upper right corner, and there we go, we have a new AI generated wallpaper. Now let's take a look at the other one, the Creative Studio. In here we can write a prompt that is going to generate a wallpaper, and if you wish to be inspired, for example, you can use one of these presets in here. In my case, I'm gonna tap on generate, and now we can style our wallpaper, and we can describe what we want to have on the screen. We can also draw, so if you have like a general visual idea of the wallpaper, you can actually start drawing in here, and then the AI is going to be used to pretty much generate the wallpaper to make it look maybe even better. We can also use a picture that we have on in the gallery in order to use as a reference. And besides that, here we have this magic wand, which allows you to choose the style. So let's say I'm gonna switch to the Insta-tune over here, and I'm gonna provide a little prompt. So let's say I'm gonna type a husky dog in a rocket ship, or something like that, or rocket space, I don't know, something like that, in a rocket in space. There we go. And now we need to wait for the result, so give it a couple of seconds, and there we go, we have our prompt. We can keep generating more if you are not really satisfied with the result, and then you can of course decide whichever you like the most. If you find the wallpaper that you wish to use, you can tap on the done over here, then we can proceed. You can still make some further adjustments if you want to. You can zoom in and zoom out as well. There is no issue with that. And once you are done with the customization, we should be able to tap on a done in the upper right corner. Of course, you will see an AI watermark here in the bottom left corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.